What if the dollar rate goes up once you're in the foreign country? Your fees, of course, will become higher as per Indian currency. Your living expenses will go up. So how do you manage these increased expenses? Most of the students go abroad on an education loan. So will banks increase the loan amount in such situations? So most banks have this feature of top-up education loan, which means they can give you an additional amount on top of your existing education loan. So what you need to know here is that if you have taken a loan with a collateral, the banks will see if your collateral has enough value for this increased loan amount. And if it does, they will give you a top up, and of course the collateral values also go up over time, so they can assess this new value as well. Now on the other side, if you have taken a non-collateral loan, most of the lenders have capped your eligible loan amount based on your college, course, your parents' income, etc. They can give you top up only if you are under that cap. When students are in the need of a top up loan, they are already abroad, so they find it very difficult to coordinate with the banks in India. That's why We Make Scholars has a dedicated post-sanction team which works 24/7 and solves such issues.